What is 30% of 80? If we set up our is over of, we do not have our is, we do have our of, or we don't have our part, but we do have our whole, and we have our percent, and we have, of course, 100. So there's not really an easy relationship between 30 and 100 or 80 and 100. But what we can do is simplify 30 over 100. And so if we simplified 30 and 100, we could divide each by 10. And so we would then have 3 over 10. So then our problem would look like we don't know our part over 80 equals 3 over 10. So how can 10 become 80? Well, by multiplying by 8. So if we take 3 times 8, then it would be 24. So 24 over 80 would be 30%. 24 is 30% of 80.